mango fritters or manga pori or mango fingers. A very easy and tasty snack which can be made easily to serve for unexpected guests. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Today we are going to make mango fritters or manga pori or arm fry. The ingredients are 1 mango peeled and cut longitudinally into thin finger-like pieces. 150 grams of all-purpose wheat flour or Maida. Around 25 grams of corn flour, which should be mixed with this. This gives the crispiness to the mango fritters. Put in 3 spoons of sugar. And mix into the flour mixture. Pour in 250 ml of water to make the batter. Make the batter so that there is no lumps. Put in a pinch of salt. Now the batter is a semi-thick consistency. Now this pan we used for dipping and frying the mangoes. Put in the mangoes pieces one by one into the batter. So that they are completely immersed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Around 25 ml of oil. Once the oil is heated, put in the mango fritters. Dipped in the batter. And fry by turning from side to side. Turn from side to side. Fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. And take off the fish. Now take off the frying pan and onto the plate one by one. And serve. This is the final mango fritters or mango fingers or Manga Pori, a very easy dish to make at home and which can be served as a snack for guests. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and comment.